Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This is most important for the every student who are going to write your final accounting 1 exam, financial accounting 1 exam within few hours. So this whatever the strategy things I have said in this video, before 5 hours of your examination, do these things ma. So first thing I want to give you a clarity that you should not read everything right now. You need to focus only on the guaranteed question, not near guaranteed question. Means in our previous videos I have given the top 10 questions of theory, top 6 problematic methods. Just be perfect with that. Whatever you have completed, just be perfect with that. Revise the definitions, formats and differences things, like what is the format of 3 column, what is the format of journal entries, what is the format of trial balance, final accounts. Just be conscious about that. Accounting concepts and conventions, theory answer compulsory ma. Accounting standards also we can expect. Journal entries, ledger, trial balances, formats you need to learn, and rectification of errors you can learn, or you can keep it for choice. And depreciation, these are the methods you are having. Just be conscious about this only. Okay, you should able to write half page per answer without thinking any question. If they are giving in the question, that is your main goal. First thing. Next one, what is the core problems? You need to pick it one. Like for example, main problems like journal entries, 3 column, BRS, depreciation and final accounts, like that. Okay, in depreciation also you are having two methods, no, straight line or diminishing method. Stick to one method only. So my suggestion is stick to straight line method only. In final accounts you need to understand trading account, penal account and balance sheet. Okay, revise step by step what you are having in trading account, what you are having in profit and loss account, what you are having in balance sheet, what is straight line method, like that. Okay, do not mix up every method at last moment. Just be conscious about what you have perfect. Okay, and write format for memory, not by reading. Just take it a rough paper and write all your formats, like date particulars JF amount, date particulars LF amount, like that. Okay, so next one, adjustment entries in final accounts ma, outstanding or prepaid, closing stock, depreciation and bad debts. These are the compulsory and question adjustments you are having in your final accounts. That means 13th question. Okay, next one, rapid revision and memory lock is very much important. Just watch our videos, you will get a clarity regarding the rapid revision. So final accounts format, you once check out. Depreciation, one problem you check out either in any one method, straight line or diminishing. Read only the definition, principles and adjustments link for the theory answers. Last 1 hour for the examination, what you need to do is, this is very important. This 1 hour is very important. Just close your book 10 to 15 minutes before only. Don't mug up your preparation till last. Okay, drink your water, mentally rehearse whatever you have learned, like what you have learned, everything you have learned. Okay, journal entries, this is the thing. Just mentally you understand everything. Okay, if I get final accounts, I'll start with the trading account. If I get any theory, I will start with the definition and the points. Like that, you need to stick to the point. Okay, so this is the strategy you need to understand. So you need to decide in before only which question you need to attempt first and which problem you need to skip if needed. You need to understand that. Clear students? Next one, exam hall strategy, which is very important. Start with what you know. If you are perfect with part A, start with part A. If you are perfect with part B, start with part B. If you are perfect in theory answer of that, start with that theory. If you are very perfect in that problematic like journal entry, start with that, like that. Okay, next one, draw formats if you forgot any entries. For example, journal entry format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit, like that. So you need to write the formats. So neat working notes will help you to get the free marks, and do not leave any question as a blank, like question number they will keep and they will leave the page as a blank only. Don't do that kind of things. Even half answer will be scoring in accounting. Okay, even if you have attempted some of the other things, they will give 3 to 4 marks out of 12. So you don't need to know 100% of your syllabus. All you need to know your clear formats, clean presentation, and you should not panic it. So these are the things you need to learn it ma. Again I am saying, depreciation, straight line method you learn, BRS, favorable method you learn, and final accounts is must. 3 column must, journal entries and trial balance. Just be perfect with these only 6 concepts only. Clear, students? So let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, especially this calm strategy is very important, very important in your examination point of view. All the very best, students. Let me know your opinion after writing the examination, whether the paper is hard or not. So all the best. See you on the next video. Bye bye, everyone.